Good day sir, I am Angelo de la Polonia, section J1N, and this is my video explanation about compass error by transit bearings. There ang solution shares. Ang true bearing is 081 degree, so muna siya ang true bearing sir sa barko. Then ang variation is 6 degree east, so kay eastman 081 degree minus 6 is 075 degree. So diara ang atong na computed na nga compass is 079 degree, so muna siya 4 degree west. Westman i-plus na siyang 075 degree plus 4 degree, so muna siya ang answer 079 degree. So ang variation is 6 degree east, tas ang deviation is 4 degree west. So kay east man ang dako, so minus 6 degree minus 4 which is 2 degree, copy ang S. So kung i-compute ni siya ning true bearing o kaning compass, minus ang answer is 2 degree. That's all sir.